And do you have any experience with, we have a shopping campaign that does very well.
Hmm.
We changed one of the images and now it's not doing very well. So it was on target ROAS, so it slowed way down. And we changed the image back. But do you think the campaign will speed up by itself, or do we have to put it back on manual CPC?
The metric that you're going to want to look at is that impression share column, because that's telling you how many times your ad was actually shown versus when you wanted it to show. So like in terms of like, are you being outbid? Is Google not showing your ads when you like, you want to spend money, Google, but hey, you're not spending it. It's kind of like what it's showing you. So
Mm-hmm.
if that impression share is like dropping, so like for
Mm-hmm.
example, you want it as high as possible. You want impression share to be, north of 90%, be it your ad is showing 90% of the time when you want it to be shown based on keywords and when it's relevant, right? When it's dropping, it sort of drops to 70, 60, 50, 40. That's what I found with this other client where we had to revert back to manual CPC because our impression share was dropping,
Okay.
right?
I'll look at that also.
Yeah. So look at that, because what's happened is for whatever reason, people didn't like that image. Then people weren't clicking on it, people weren't converting. So Google doesn't have enough data to optimize for target ROAS. So you then
Mm-hmm.
change the image back, but it's kind of still got that data. Do you know what I mean?
Okay.
So you might have to also revert back to manual CPC to get your impressions, to get the clicks and conversions, and then revert back. Does
Okay.
that make sense?
Yes. It's
Cool.
very helpful.